These are the top 5 backgrounds for DaVinci Resolve in 2025. First one up is the luxury background. This background is not only classy but super easy to make in DaVinci Fusion. You can use it for shapes, text, or even logos. It's ideal for overlays, weddings, special events, and once you've created it, you can save it and forget it and swap out shapes as you need. The infinite background looks complicated, but it's actually quite easy to put together. You can use shapes, text, logos, and even video. It connects using the switch node and allows you to have hundreds of different objects. Great for music videos, news backgrounds, intros, and podcasts. The indent background is actually 2D, not 3D. It can be made quickly and lets you use shapes, paths, and even text. Once you've created your shape or path, simply duplicate it and move it around the screen. It's fun to make and you won't be pulling your hair out. Best of all, your After Effects buddies will be scratching their head and wondering how the hell you made it so quickly. Next up is the atom animation. Whether you're a fan of the Big Bang Theory or just need a science background, then this is the one for you. It's actually easier to make in 3D and looks like you made it in Maya or Cinema 4D. Add a duplicate node and you go from one to as many as you need with a simple click. And finally, this creative motion line background is awesome. Don't tell anyone, but it's actually a simple particle system copied a couple of times. It's easy to make and you can shape it how you want. It makes your logos, text or video really pop out. Now, to make your life super easy, there are links in the description on how you can create everything included in this video for absolutely free. So check them out and also check out my channel.